of followers just talked about Dogelon Mars. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm back with another one. Now, this is insane, family. We just seen a crypto influencer, Joe Perry's, covered the Dogelon Mars token. And frankly, he didn't say much about the utility. He talked about the community, the price, how it could possibly reach its former all-time high. And he also talked about why he invested $100 and just took a chance on the Dogelon Mars token, turning $100 into $5,000. He also talked about the sentiment of the project, whether it's bearish and bullish. So we'll give a reaction on all of that. Make sure you stick to the video to the end. Hit that like and subscribe. Let me know in your comments what you think about these big time influencers finally covering Dogelon Mars. Are you buying? Are you selling? Or are you on the sidelines waiting for it to go lower? So in my opinion, this is big. Again, he didn't say much about the project. You know, he didn't get into detail like like Crypto Millie would. But again, from the surface of things, it seems like he's a little bit bullish on this project and where it could possibly go as far as price action in the future. But he frankly just covered it as a meme coin, nothing more, nothing less. You can go check out the video yourself. Very neat video, pointing out a few things about the investor sentiment on the project, which shows that, you know, the Dogelon Mars token could be here for long term, family. But I want to point out to you that you can see that just because an influencer talks about a token, no matter how many followers he has or she has, it does not move the price, family. Okay, so for all the people that say, oh, you was flooding Elon, it dumped the price. No, I'm not even moving the needle at all. And as you can see, Joe Perry's himself, who almost has millions of followers, wasn't able to move the Dogelon Mars needle. Now, on the positive, you can see here, and why I think that this is a floor signal. It's good to see these large influencers coming back to the token, but you can see that 70% of the project is hodlers, family, which tells me we are near the floor. It's only 30% of the community that's not holding this token, 2% traders. So all the traders have left, and there's about 30% of cruisers, family. So again, this tells me the only people that is left in this project is the people that's holding for long term, which means that we specifically could be bottoming out and turning the corner for the next crypto bull run, or at least some bullish momentum. And I'll give you an idea of what I'm talking about as far as the charts. But I wanted to break down, family, the fact that this project, right? This project also has 75% whales. So those are the people that can move the token, the Methuselah Foundations, the whales, the Binances, the crypto.coms, these huge exchanges that hold largest amount of Elon. Those are the ones that you see moving and manipulating the price. It's not the influencers of family, especially if a project has 75% whales, right? And 70% hodlers. Okay, it's not going to be an influencer that can come no matter what type of video they make and drive the price up or drive the price down. It's going to take a community, a group effort to actually make an impact with a crypto project this big, sitting at a $70 million market cap. Now, I'm not sure where Joe was getting his investor sentiment information from. You can see here on Investors Observer, the sentiment for Elon is bearish right now. What, in my opinion, is not bad. In fact, this just motivated me to find my next entry point with Elon, because it shows me, family, that influencers are coming back. This is a potential floor signal, giving you an idea that this project is ready to turn the corner and start becoming bullish again. And it kind of falls into the time frame of the next 3 to 6 months, which I'll show you guys in the charts, that Elon token could be prime for a huge run. Now, maybe it just reaches its all-time highs, or maybe it does something crazy like Shiba Inu. But one thing for sure, I believe that this project still will get a lot of people paid, especially the ones that's getting into the Elon token today. Okay, if you're a bag holder, trust me, I understand. I at one point was a bag holder, but right now at these floor levels, and it seems to be holding support at the 12 levels, I think that this project is prime to go back up. And if you're getting into it, if you're getting into it right now, this might be a good opportunity. Me personally, I think that it could possibly go a little lower, and I'll show you in the charts, but we're almost there. And this video that we've seen from Joe Perry's is clearly a floor signal, which tells me that influencers could be coming back to this project. We've been seeing a lot of activity here on the Elon Twitter. I mean, they've been going crazy with the Dogelon AI generator, right? Which is causing the community to interact back with the token. I love it. I love the interaction. It's getting people out there, continuously posting these pictures. And the more they post on Twitter, the more eyes see it. So the marketing has ramped up for Elon, and the community with that marketing has also caused a lot of attention with this new Dogelon AI generator. They even have a Dogelon AI bot where you can type in Dogelon this on Twitter, and depending on the tweet, which they turn into a prompt, it will generate a image based on the prompt of the tweet. So it's getting actually pretty good for the ecosystem. I can't wait to see what the Rufus chain looks like and how they implement the crypto locker, and if the Methuselah Foundation plans on locking some of their tokens. There's been a rumor allegedly that we could see some type of lock up from the Methuselah Foundation. Again, Joe didn't cover none of this because he ain't plugged in like that. He just say, I'm putting $100 into Elon because it could possibly go back to all-time highs. That's the gist of what he was talking about in his video. But again, the Dogelon Mars AI generator is looking cool. You can also remint your tokens and burn Elon. So it's incorporated a cool burning mechanism through this AI generator. But on the flip side, it's good to see that the Elon holders are growing. This is a telling story right here because we've seen crypto projects like Pepe holder count decreasing as the price goes down. But with Elon, the holder count increases as the price goes down. So it tells you a lot of people are looking to buy the dip. This project also has a lot of holders. So even though 75% of the liquidity in the project is whales, a lot of the holders hold anywhere from $100 to $1,000, and actually Joe pointed that out on his video. So it's the community is heavily involved into this project, despite the fact that people think that this project is full of just whales. It's actually a lot of people that hold anywhere from $100 to $1,000 worth of Elon, and it's good to see that the holder count continues to rise. So on the flip side of things, Elon looks like it may have floored out, and this is what I'm actually seeing on the chart. So this is the weekly chart, family. I'm predicting that the Elon token can put in a huge double bottom, and the reason that I'm saying that, you can see here on the first arm, we traded the first arm of the double bottom for about 245 days. We've been making the pattern of the second arm of the double bottom for the last 217 days. So we got about 30 days, in my opinion, until we cross the 200-day moving average and we start to go up, making that double bottom or huge cup and handle. Of course, we'll see resistance up here, family. Right, that arrow right there. Of course, we'll see, I don't know why I did that. Of course, we'll see resistance right here at this neckline, but you can see on the weekly, it seems like this project is putting in a huge cup and handle or a huge double bottom, again, which coincides with the next 3 to 6 months and how we can pretty much start to trend to the upside heading into the halving cycle. So the people that's actually stacking up down here could see some pretty good gains, even if Elon frankly just gets to its previous all-time high. Because the project fell 95%, there's a lot of gains to be made. I'll continue to monitor the weekly, but you can see that this pattern is forming here. I mean, come on, family. You don't have to be a rocket scientist, and we're 217 days in of the second arm. So I'm, predicting another 30, 45 days, we start to move to the upside, creating that cup and handle or double bottom that you see there. To put that into perspective, if Dogelon Mars, let me get it right for the people in the back. was able to hit Shiba Inu's current market cap, which is 4.3 billion. That's a quick 60x, right? That's a clean 60x. To put that into perspective, if you invested $1,000 into the Elon token today, that's about 8 billion Elon tokens. The potential worth, if it was able to hit a $4 billion market cap, is 62,000, and anybody can use 62,000 right now, right, family? So again, it won't make you a crypto millionaire, but it'll put you in a position to invest into yourself, maybe start a business, roll some of that liquidity into other altcoins as we peak out in the bull run. But again, you see the Joe Perry's video wasn't able to really move the market. You know, he's not a market maker. Us YouTube guys are not market makers. We cannot move the market. And I just wanted to point that out to the people that felt like I was fudding the project and causing the project to go lower. But we'll continue to monitor Elon. As you can see, man, we've been in a wicked downtrend, and hopefully this video that we seen from Joe Pierce is the start of something special. Hope, you know, this could be the signal, the floor signal that we need. You know, another, you know, influencer, big influencer getting back in the token. To me, it's a floor signal. I feel like it's a step in the right direction. And if the Elon token continues to develop this ecosystem and continues to go crazy as far as the marketing, because the marketing has been going crazy as of late, I think that this project can return to the heights that it once was. Does that mean I'm super bullish, Moon Boy Elon? Of course not. I'm keeping a very clear mind with my investments because I believe the next 3 to 6 months are the most important months to your portfolio. But this just inspired me. This just inspired me to start looking for my next entry point for the Elon token. Y'all let me know what y'all think about Elon currently, the developments of Elon, Joe Perry's his video, and huge influencers starting to talk about the Elon token again. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.